Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can transform your wheel alignment into truck. With the operating system and the track data bank and any of these three options, the 26-inch clamp for truck with a bus spoiler adapter, this point skip rock clamp with accessories, or the 10 to 26-inch car clamp, which can be transformed into truck with a simple adapter up to 30-inch. This way you can do truck and car with the same clamp. The trailer chassis kit, and you can start work on any vehicle. Thank you for watching.